Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are studying well, and now we are going to talk about some therapies which are being used nowadays to heal ourselves, to calm ourselves. So let's talk about healing yourself in this chapter. Read the clues and name the practice or therapy which is used in each of them. The first one, it is a practice of using the natural oils extracted from flowers, bark, stems, leaves, roots or other parts to enhance psychological and physical well-being. The inhaled aroma from these essential oils is widely believed to stimulate brain functions and rejuvenate a person. This is known as the aromatherapy. So here you extract the oils from the flowers, okay, flowers, bark, stems, the plants, the different parts of the plants, and they are used to, they are inhaled so that your brain gets stimulated and it functions well. This form of therapy uses the sensitivity of the body towards the colors to identify and correct any imbalances in the body's internal energy patterns. In 6th century BC, Orpheus, the founder of the first metaphysical mystery school in Greece, utilized vibrational medicine of color and light as a means of healing. And this therapy is known as the color therapy because colors are used here to you have to identify the colors, okay, and then correct any imbalances which are there in the body's internal energy, okay, energy patterns. Next, it is the ancient Chinese practice of inserting needles in specific points on the body to manipulate the flow of energy, okay, QI. It is mostly used for pain relief. It can be also used in combination with other forms of treatment. This is known as acupuncture, where they pierce needles in those areas, okay, where you generally complain of pain and all, and then accordingly they are treated. They are not, so it's not a painful process, so you don't have to be afraid, but it is always nowadays you get so many products which do say that they are acupuncture based. All right. A Japanese form of healing involves the transfer of energy from the practitioner to the patient through the palms to encourage emotional or physical healing. It is a pseudoscience based on QI, that is the universal life force. And this Japanese form is known as Reiki. Another good thing of Reiki is that it can be given from anywhere. All right. A formal practice of controlling the breath, which is the source of our vital life force. This is known as pranayam. It is a part of the yoga therapy. This therapy involves the use of magnets to increase energy flow through the body. It is done by making the patient wear a magnetic ring or other jewelry. So whatever they wear, it's made of magnets. Nowadays there are beds also which come with magnets, and also this is like a magnetic therapy, and that's why the name is also given as magnet therapy. Okay. Next, it is a form of alternative medicine that is concerned with the diagnosis of mechanical disorders of the musculoskeletal system, especially the spine. This is known as the chiropractic. Okay. So generally, children, there are people who are also called chiropractitioners, and they are the ones who diagnose. Suppose your bone is suppose it gets dislocated or something. So these chiropractitioners also help in getting it back to the position. Okay. So it is also an alternative method for medicine, but you cannot go do it yourself. You have to go to these people who are professional. Okay. Only then it works. Otherwise, don't go to any person who is not qualified to do any such thing. This form of exercise is found in Germany. It is famous among dancers and performers. It is performed lying down on a machine fitted with springs. It improves flexibility, focus, and reduces mental and physical stress. This is known as Pilates. So it is called a form of Pilates. Okay, so all these people who dance and all, they need a lot of flexibility in their bodies. So for that purpose, this therapy is used. So children, do you know Joseph Pilates developed Pilates after starting life as a frail child, frail as in weak child, okay, who was determined to change his fate. And that's how he used his skills and developed this therapy. Alright, so children, quickly answer all these questions of the exercises. You have the help box where you can get the spellings, and do find more information about all these different therapies. And you can also find and search and find if there are some more therapies like that, and share it with your friends, family and teachers.